well, I'm alone right now, but I dropped Kate off at school this morning, and then Laura took Rob to the doctor. While I was snowmobiling yesterday with Kirby and David and Lauren and Carter and Ethan, it was a big group. While I was snowmobiling, he was sick, and we thought it was just kind of like a cold, but he started coughing super bad. So we took him to the doctor this morning, and they tested him. He does not have the flu, which is awesome, but he still has to take a steroid because he's got asthma and whatever. The worst part about being a parent is like when your kid is sick and there's absolutely nothing you can do to make him feel better. Like, he feels miserable, you can tell he feels miserable, and I'm just there. You're like, oh, hey bud, sorry, here's medicine that you're still gonna feel gross. Like, that's the worst. In other news, I'm driving the Denali because later today, the dealership that I bought it from, Bill Marsh, is putting snow tires on it for us, like free of charge. So that's so absolutely awesome. Like, Lisa, who was our salesperson, called me. Actually, she texted me and she was like, hey, you idiot, why didn't you tell me that it had summer tires on it? I was like, oh, I just assumed that I would have to replace tires like when we got it, so no big deal. And she's like, yeah, but I told you it had new tires and that's not cool. We're replacing them. Bring it in. So they like legit ordered tires, and we're going in to get them replaced today. So in the past, I had some issues with Bill Marsh with a different store. They have gone so far over and above. The whole team, Lisa, Edgar, like the sales team, the service team, they're so good. So Bill Marsh is wonderful. Bill Marsh is a Chrysler, Dodge, General Motors. I don't know, they have a bunch of franchises in Traverse City. I think that that's really cool of them to do, and they certainly didn't have to, but we appreciate it. This stop sign in downtown Traverse City is the worst. We got home a while ago and Rob has been taking a nap. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna build my own cruising cooler, and I got this thing at Menards for like 30 bucks. So it's got the wheel cut out. I don't know. Figure it's cheap enough, like I don't care if I ruin it while I experiment. But the other day I had Rob teach me about Minecraft. In that I learned that snow golems protect you from, oh man, I forget. Anyway, I went to Meijer and I got him a snow golem and a creeper. That's what it is. I made it look like the snow golem protected him from the creeper while he sleeps. Go take a video and you can see how pathetic he looks. Got the Denali back. They got like killer snow tires on it, and pretty much all of the snow has melted, at least on the roads. It's been like 40 degrees for the last couple of days. You might be asking yourself, who wants snow tires when it's not winter? And I'll tell you, my wife wants snow tires when it's not winter, because it's probably gonna snow in May and it's probably gonna snow in like October. So
I don't think it will snow in October.
Kate doesn't think so. It did this year. So like, if you have snow tires on just always, then you're good. Personally, I'm not super hot on driving on snow tires all year round because they're super loud, but she doesn't seem to mind and it makes her more comfortable. So I think since there's no snow in our driveway, I might try to drive in our yard a little bit and see if they work. Oh, I still have a little bit of snow here. All right, let's see how it does. Oh yeah, it just rockets through that. Kate, you want to do a little off-roading?
Yes. What's that?
This means driving in our yard through the snow. So before this snow right here, like, there would be no chance this thing could get in there. Let's see. Oh, it's killing it. It totally would have gotten stuck in that.
What are you doing?
I'm just turning around, babe. I gotta get both tires into the snow.
See? We're stuck.
No, I don't think we are though. I think it's just the traction control. I think if I turn it off, I can get us out. Oh yeah, totally.
No.
It just drives right in and right out. Look at that.
It pops.
We're back, baby. We're back. I'm such a hillbilly.
Dad, it just pops snow.
It does not. You cannot whip this thing around anymore. That's for certain. Look at my tracks. So I got, you can see all four wheels off the ground, or I guess off the road. thank you very much, Lisa. If you need to buy a car, talk to Lisa or Edgar or anybody at Bill Marsh. They took very good care of us on this car, actually, and on that car.
There was an egg, the prettiest egg that he ever did see. Oh, the egg on the nesting. I need another slingy for my thumb. My whole entire fingers need to be covered in slingies. So that's why they're sling fingers. I can't get my slingies away. I tried pulling them off, but that didn't work. My mom said they will fall off. They didn't. But when they fall off, finally they came off of my fingers. But when my mom put it on my